The thing is, digital marketing is becoming wider by the day, but at the same time, platforms that people trust are becoming smaller. And you think, how is that possible? Now, the problem with that is a lot of platforms are coming up trying to say they can help you with digital marketing, they can help you get more visibility. But at the end of the day, they don't really do what they say they can do, and they lose your trust. And over the months and years, a lot of people have seen social media marketing, digital marketing as a, a thing that you're not too sure of. You just want to dabble into it and see if it will work. But the problem with it is not digital marketing. The problem is not using the right channels. Now, Google Tools for digital marketing has a way of making sure people get the best out of whatever they are using it for. And why? It is because Google naturally attracts people that are ready to buy products, or they are already doing research on their products. Now, if we look at social media marketing, what social media marketing, especially on Facebook, Instagram, and co, will do is it will show your advert to people that might have interest. So they are not actively searching for it, but they might just have shown interest. But their main purpose of coming over to Instagram and Facebook is mostly for entertainment and sometimes for education and information. So most times you might not get the best of the customers you're looking for on Facebook or Instagram. Now, when you look at Google, now let's start with Google search. Google search on its own only attracts two sets of people looking for information or education. So now they are already coming in searching for a particular product and trying to know more about the product, whether because they want to buy it or because they already have and they don't know how to use it. Now, this is a more streamlined group of audience that a business actually needs. So you don't need a million people to see your products. You only need 100,000 that actually wants to buy it, not a million people that might not even have interest in it. So that is where Google platforms and Google tools come in. And in this video, I'm going to be breaking it down to you, and you're going to see how you can use these tools to help your business, how you can use this tool to make your business show to the right set of people. So we are not just talking about brand visibility, we're talking about brand visibility to the right people. I'm very sure you're excited by now to see all I'm going to show you. Don't forget to listen properly and make sure you watch this video to the end. Make sure you follow everything I say in this video, and in the next 10-20 minutes I'm going to be breaking it down more to you. We're going to be talking about Google Ads, Google My Business, and Google Analytics.